In this video, I'll show you how to fix an existing Discord account is already using this number. Firstly, launch the Discord on your device and click on the gear icon located at the bottom left. Next, open your Google Chrome browser and click on the three dots at the top right corner of the Chrome. Select Settings and then scroll down and click Autofill Passwords. That if you have saved your Discord password there. In this Google Password Manager, type Discord and look at the account details associated with your Discord. But if you know them, you can skip this step. Go back to Discord, click on the gear icon and scroll to click on Logout. Use the email and password retrieved from the Google Password Manager to log into the account that uses the phone number. In the correct Discord account, click on the gear icon. In the left sidebar, click on My Account and scroll down to Phone Number and click Remove. Repeat the steps to log out of the current account and use your credentials to log back into your original Discord account. Go to User Settings, My Account, scroll down to find Phone Number and then click Add and enter your phone number to verify. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.